In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add note fields to products in your Shopify store, which can be especially useful for custom items like shirts, gifts, or jewelry. This process allows your customers to input any special instructions, personalization requests, or notes they might have about their orders directly when they're shopping with you. Let's dive into it. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and open your online store. Here, you'll want to delve into the settings where all the magic happens. The goal here is to modify your store's theme to accommodate these note fields, crucial for allowing that extra level of customization your customers might need. Begin this journey by heading over to the theme section. Once you're there, look for where you can access either the template settings or the footer. These sections are where we can facilitate edits that will make these note fields come to life for your products. Now, for the exciting part, look for an option to add a new section within this area. You'll see a button that says Add Section. Go ahead and click on that. Once the menu opens up, scroll through the various options until you find the one labeled Custom Liquid. This is where we'll be able to insert the necessary code that will create these customizable note fields. Open it up and you're one step closer to enhancing your customer's shopping experience. Here's where the creativity and a little research comes into play. If you don't have a custom code easily at hand, fear not. Many online resources provide snippets of code tailored to Shopify's needs. Go ahead and search online for a suitable code that enables note fields. Be sure you're selecting code from a reliable source to ensure it works smoothly with your existing store functionalities. After your diligent search, once you've found the code you need, it's time to bring it back to Shopify. Copy your selected code directly from the online source. Return to the custom liquid section within Shopify where you've paused. Here, in the rich text editor, you'll paste the code you've just copied. Take a deep breath. You're almost done. Crucially, after pasting the code, take a moment to review it. Ensure everything looks intact. Often, small errors can sneak in during the copying and pasting process. Once you're certain everything appears correct, there's an all-important button you must not overlook. Save. Click this, and you're done. You've successfully added note fields that can now be used for any of your customized products, allowing customers to leave notes or instructions that make their buying experience more personal and tailored to their needs. This simple change significantly enhances your store's functionality, offering your customers a more personalized shopping experience and helping you cater to their custom needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Shopify store.